So friends, welcome back to another video in the Python series. Today I'm presenting a topic which is very vital from statistical and data science point of view. It's the Python Pandas. So I will be starting with a very fundamental and basic way in which we can use the Python Pandas. Okay, so I would be using pycharm. But I have also kept Python command line ready. So let me just start with the program. So here is the code. I will just copy it. Okay, so let me save it here. So uh, here we have weather statistics for say few days of December 2024, and we start with the statement import pandas as pd. So for this we first need to have the pandas package available, which we can do using various means. One means is pip install. Once this is ready for use, then we can start using it. So here we have import pandas as pd, then we declare a variable December weather data which has different fields. So the first field is the record date, so the date on which the temperature record was done. So we have this in mmdd YYYY format. So the first figure you can see is the month. So we have 12. This means it's the December, then 909. So that means it's 9th of December. Then we have the record starting from 9th of December up till 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So that means 6 days. Then we have the minimum temperature in Celsius. So the Celsius is just to denote, if suppose you are used to using Fahrenheit, you can go for that. So it's just for an example. And then we have the minimum temperature. So they started 4.5 Celsius, 4.8, 5.4, and up to 7.2, which is on 14th of December. Then we have the maximum temperatures. So we have 23, 21.8, and the last temperature is for 14th of December. And then we have the air quality index AQI level. So this is from a place which is having quite a bit of pollutants, the PM levels, high PM levels, and severe air. So uh, we have these values 300, 270, 321. Of course, your area could have different values. Then we call a method data frame. So what we do, we have a variable df. So we say df is equal to pd.dataframe, and then this the data from this variable December weather data, which is an uh, which you can say is a dictionary. This symbol, I just need to check if it's one an array or dictionary. I will just check. So from there we get this, and then we print this. So let's run this program. There is one catch here which I saw in the pycharm. So I will show how it differently works in pycharm and the Python runtime. Okay, let me just run this. So we go to run. Okay, so we are not getting any output generated here. But then I make a minor change. I comment this statement. Okay, I think I overrid this one. Df, and then okay, now I run it again. Okay, so you can see it gets printed, but it's not. There is one problem here which I can see, which I need to figure out. Maybe I will figure it out and share in another video. So we have the record date, then we have these three dots. So that means the data is there, but somehow it is not showing the complete one. Maybe I need to do some kind of formatting, and then it shows the AQI level. And now I run this one in Python command line. There is an option to run file in Python console from here, or what I can do, I can copy it. Then I have the Python command line. I will just type Python. Then I will just paste it here. Okay, so here we can see we have this program. We import the pandas library. Then we have the printdf. Okay, here we can do one more thing. We can run. We can use df as well. We copy this and then so uh, whether we use print or whether we use directly the df command, we get the complete data set. So it's in a form of a, you can say, matrix or kind of the CSV or the Excel format that we commonly know about, or which from which we can do other manipulations and check the record. So here we get this display. Maybe in pycharm we need to do certain formatting. We need to do certain formatting that I will check out later. So let me run a few more commands. Like we have the head, shape, and tail. We will see what all these mean. I will just uh, comment this one out. Okay, keep it commented. Now let's run head command. I copy it. Okay, so here I get the first four one. Let me just type head 3 or 2. Okay, I just get the first two records. Then let me run another command df.tail. Okay, I think I need to modify this one too. Okay, I just get the last two records. So the head means the top, some of the top records, tail means the later record. So suppose if you want to view a subset, so maybe you can use head, tail, or a combination of both these two. Then we have another command df.shape. Okay, 6 comma 4. What does that mean? That means we have 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we have 6 rows and 4 columns. The rows are starting from the numbering 0 till 5, and this numbering there is a way to rename, or you can say have a different display that I will share in the coming videos. So here we have the record date, minimum temperature, maximum temperature, and equal level. So that means 4 columns or the 4 fields if we say in the column wise heading. So this was the basic. Let me try these head and tail in here in pycharm. So pycharm needs some kind of, I think, some formatting or something. So okay, uh, maybe some formatting might be needed, and I will just try another option. Okay, let me just run it here. Okay, so I get I will just run it again. Looks like some issue here. I don't know where. It's not able to identify the. Let me run tail. Okay. Okay. Maybe I need to figure it out. It's not showing the. Let me see if it is able to run this one. Let me know if you have some comments or something on why we are not able to run it. No. Okay, need to figure it out. So, as of now, I think I will end here and would cover more topics in the coming videos. And with this is on the data is here we capture in on the run, on the fly. But then we can also capture it from CSV files maybe online or in the offline from a drive. That I will take on later. And one thing more I will just try to see. Okay, that let's do it. Run file in Python console. Okay, so here we are also getting all these attributes, and we are seeing what all we can see, shape and other, like the backend, what all APIs I use, different attributes and values. You can, if you want to have a detailed debugging, you can do it here, or if you want to customize the program. But somehow, I'm not sure why it's not taking the head and tail and the shape. Okay, so let's send it here.